We'll assemble this jamon. Jamon Serrano Espanol. We bought this from Costco, so let's open it for Christmas. Whoa. Okay. And this comes with sharp knife. And what's this white thing? I think that's for tip of the knife. Okay, just showing you. There you go. Set this aside. And we got this. Oh, it comes with wood. And I think we need to assemble something like this. Got this one. Let me adjust the video a little bit. There. And this. Set this aside. Some instruction here. It's basically like this. Two holes. Goes like that. And it's, look at the finish, it's varnished, similar to this, but the back is not. Just this. Looks good, looks smooth. Sale on Costco in time for your Christmas celebration. And Serrano ham or jamon is known to be, I haven't really tasted a Serrano ham, so we'll see if what I heard is true. Now, oh, let me show you. We got this stuff and this. Let me assemble this. I think we got two of this. I'm not reading the instruction, but I got two of this. I believe that's for this one. And it's facing, the curve is facing me, facing in. Okay, comes with X. This. This one like this. Oh, like this one. The one with the flat, not the sharp edge. Use this. I'm just gonna hold it. Okay, let's do it. It's easier to hold the nuts. I would need a plier, maybe. So this one, according to this, you see that? It goes here. This one should pinch the meat of the ham. So it goes like this. There. It's not really gripping the wood, but the metal, but it's just a little bit of tight. Yeah, this is a machine screw. Oh, sorry, metal screw. I'll show you. Yeah, that's for the ham, to pinch the meat and kind of hold it. Double action. I rotate the screw opposite the top, and now it's tight. Good. Okay, in the picture it goes that way. This is the other one that holds the other end of the meat. You just do like this. Yep. And we can tighten this. Maybe we can insert the meat like this. I'll show you the picture. Yes. So this small one, and then the other one is on here. Okay, let's try this. And it goes like this. I'm not gonna pinch it first because we gotta do this later tonight, Christmas Eve. It goes like that. So I don't know if I will tighten this now or do it like this so I can. So let me tighten this now. I have to hold the screw, the nuts. Tighten this a little bit. Since all of these are, I think, are one-time use, that's why even the metal is soft, but it's tight. It's good now. So I am tempted to try this now and open it, remove the vacuum packed ham, but my wife said wait for Christmas Eve. We'll do this on Christmas Eve, but I'm just gonna show you how it will look like. And then I think this is how they do in Spain. You then slice. Okay, I got my wife's permission. We can open this now. Okay, because it's according to the instruction, it's better to let it expose it on air. So guys, write down in your comments if you've tried this before. I've never tried a Serrano ham before, nor the mechanics of all this slicing. Okay. I don't even know if we need to put this in an oven. Do we need to put this in an oven?
No.
No, okay. It's kind of greasy. Yes, I think this is easier. Oh my goodness, this is sealed, vacuum packed to perfection. that's why I need some tissue here. It smells good. Greasy at first, but now I can smell the flavor. There. Woo, finally. Now, really sealed. Oops. You got this brand? Let's, there you go. And put this like this, according to the picture. There you go. Let the meat, pinch the meat. Pinch the meat here. And also pinch the meat here. And we should be good. There you go. Well, this is kind of loose. This is the one that I wasn't able to tighten because I believe they designed it in one use, meant for one use. So how do you even try? I don't know where to cut. I just want to taste it. Okay, let's cut it straight. Ooh, I need a plate. Maybe it should be here. Okay. Oh boy, it's heavy. So when it falls right on the cutting board. There. Would you look at that? Let me taste. This is probably the skin, but I'm gonna taste it anyway. It's kind of it's gummy. Let's see. Maybe there's an instruction on how to eat this. Okay, I'm getting there. Okay, I just want to taste this. There. There. Ooh, okay. It's okay. I think probably we need some sauce. If you have comments teaching me how to really eat Serrano ham, let me know in the comments. Oh, this okay, that's the apple meat. Maybe I'm eating the wrong layer yet. Still, I'm not on that good layer. See this? I'm naive. Okay, now we're getting to the interesting part. Now the red part. I think that's the good part. The first layer are all fat. So maybe we have to remove all those fats. Yeah. Yeah, they're all fat. So I think, let's see. I just want to go there and try it. I'm dying to try it. Maybe this is like prosciutto. It's a little bit thick. Okay. I think you can eat just like in prosciutto, they have small sizes of fats. No. Now you're talking. That's where the big flavor is. We have to get to this part. This one are like, I think they're skin and fat. Ignoramus me. See, these are all gummy and doesn't taste pleasing at all. It's like all fat. But this, it's an explosion of flavor, which is good. Now I can appreciate it. Okay, there you go, folks. Enjoy your Christmas and holidays and New Year with Serrano ham. And happy holidays, everyone.